Well, today we are here home with our brand new Honda CR-V, and look what we got here. Hi, Charlie. How are you? You like the car? I'm gonna get something for you for the car. Come with me. Come on, Charlie. Let's go. Charlie, now. Come on. So as I was saying, this is a brand new Honda CR-V leather seats. So we love the dogs and like to take them around, but you have to protect the car. So this is what this is for. Lesure Comfy Pet. A box inside a box. Oh, and now it started raining, so we're gonna start the video again later. So actually, it was a good thing that it rained a little bit, because this is the situation in which you want something to protect your car from the elements. So let's open this up. So it comes with this bag, so you can carry it when you're not using it. There's some instructions. So it basically goes or uses the headrest up here. Let's see. So we got 1, 2, 3 of these to hook it up. And this is basically like a hammock. Oh, what is this? So this is the pet car seat cover, and this is one of those memory things, memory foam things. So it's vacuum sealed, and now when we open it, it's gonna inflate. Of course it did. So it comes in 3 sections. Let's see here. Wow. So now I can use the straps to go on the head. Oh, by the way, I put it upside down. Now that I realize. There you go. This is the way it's supposed to be. So around here, we got the headlight. And now, oh, so this comes with a zipper here on the side. So it's completely enclosed. There's another zipper on the other side. This is the same on the other side. There's the zippers. So we're ready for Charlie to come back in the car. And this one is to hold Charlie in place while we're traveling. So this will go into her own leash. Let's bring her over. So here we are. Going, Charlie. There you go. Let's go for a ride. And again, it's raining outside. And Charlie got a little bit wet, but now she's cool in her new seat back there. How you like it, Charlie? And this is the safe way and clean way of taking your dog in your car. You don't want them loose back there, because if you brake suddenly, it's dangerous for the dog. They can be projected into the windshield or whatever. That's kind of the seat belt for the dog. Let's get Charlie home. Come here, Charlie. Let's go. You can unhook this so it's easier for you want her to jump. She's not a jumper, so we're gonna carry her over. Come on, Charlie. And there it is. The car is completely clean, protected. A good product. Goodbye. So it took about 5-10 minutes, I guess, to put it on, just because I didn't know how to do it at the beginning. But let's see how long it takes to take it off. I don't do this. I don't need to do the zippers. I just take these things off. So it folds nicely into 3 pieces. And here's the bag for it. Okay, thank you. So my neighbors invited me for a beer. I always say yes. So that's it. There you have it. The car is clean. Everybody's happy. And we're safe.